Hey guys, so I'm finally doing a house tour of our tiny home. It has been requested a lot to see our tiny house, and I've asked everyone what they would like to see more of from me, and they said my house, so I was like, okay, I'm finally going to do a house tour on YouTube for you guys. The reason I haven't done it yet is because we've been living in here for 3 years, almost 3 years now, and we barely bought it a couple of months ago. We were renting it the whole time until last year, June or July. And then we loved living here so much and loved living in a tiny home, we just decided that we wanted to buy it and the land that came with it. So that's why there hasn't been a lot of work done on the house. There's still a lot that needs to be done, which I plan on showing y'all today, my plans for 2019 that we're going to do on this house. I'm very excited, but of course it'll take time and it'll be a while before everything gets done. But I'm okay with that. So I'm going to show y'all my plans for 2019 on the house and how our house is now. And there's a lot of areas in our house that are not Instagrammable or that you haven't seen on Instagram because they're not the way I want them to be yet. But I finally decided that I needed to make this house tour because this is real life. This is my real house. It's not perfect. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start at the front of our house. So there is our door right there. And then here is our coat rack. And then there's the carpet, the shoes, the laundry basket, and just a cute little decoration. And then there is our electricity box, which I'm not a fan of, but that's where it is. I don't know what to do with it or how to cover it up. There's our washer and dryer. We have to have them stacked or else they won't fit in our house. And then we have our fridge. And then I just have little decorations on top. So yeah, this is our entrance right here. So yeah. Maybe you could get a better view this way. So yeah, it's all crammed together very tightly. It's like fridge, laundry, entry, coat rack, all in one. And then we have our bathroom here, our oven and our open shelves here, the kitchen, and then our table here. So there's our table, and then our TV, and then our living room here, and then our AC there, our plant. The bathroom first, so it's like right there by the kitchen. It's pretty tiny. So we got our carpet, toilet, and then we just have a little open shelf there, our small sink, mirror, and then we have this little shelf there. We just barely bought wood to put around it, so we're gonna do that, put wood around it, and then in the future we want to put a window through there because there's no natural light coming into this bathroom. Our shower is pretty big. That's what I love about our shower. It's pretty big in there. I love that. It's just like a normal tub and everything. And then, yeah, and then we need to fix that up there yet. So we need to tear that out, put a new one in. We need to glue that down more so it looks like sticks on the wall. And then we just have our sink. Yeah, so that is our bathroom right there. Very small, but it works for us. So I have this wall gray, and then this wall white, and this wall gray also. And then we have our hangers here, and then we still need to put a little cover on that. So yeah, that is our bathroom. So now we're gonna do our kitchen and living room tour. So let's do the living room first. So we just have my little plant there, our yucca plant, and then we have our couch, which fits perfectly in here so we can seat 5 people here. And then I am putting wallpaper on that wall because I tried decorating it with that picture frame and some decorations right there and it just didn't look good. So I'm going to be taking that picture frame down and then putting wallpaper on that wall right there. And I want to do something to this side yet, but I'm not exactly sure yet. if I want to do like an open shelf with pictures hanging or pictures on the open shelf, or some simple decorations. But yeah, that's how it is for now. And then that eyesore right there is plugged into our PlayStation, which is under our couch. So that's nice that it's hidden away underneath our couch. And then we just have our throw blanket, 2 pillows. So it's very simple in here. And then this is our TV right there. So we have our little tiny TV on top of our table for it. And then we have my rug. So yeah, this is how the living room looks. Then we just have kind of like our junk area right there. And then of course, the eyesore there is the AC and the plug-in, and we plan on building, or not building, getting an AC unit in the future, so those will be out of here. And that'll be nice because I hate the way they look. Okay, and then we have our table, and I love the top of our table, but I want to repaint the legs and these chairs. But what's awesome about these chairs is that they're foldable. I got them from Costco, and so I can fold them up when I don't need the 2 extra ones because it's just me and Peter. So I can fold those 2 chairs up and then have the 2 for me and Peter. And this table is also foldable. So like I could fold this table. Sorry, I'm struggling here. So I can fold the table too. So I can fold it and then also fold those 2 chairs and then just have those 2, so there'd be more space. But for right now, I'm just keeping all 4 chairs here and the table just up like it is normally. So yeah, that's the table. So yeah, gonna paint the chairs and the legs and then keep the top like that. And then let's go into the kitchen. So Peter just finished grouting the tile the other day, and I love the way they turned out. They look great. So it's our tiny kitchen right here. I'm planning on painting the kitchen and the whole living room a different color. I want to do white, but I'm not sure yet because there is already a lot of white in the house. But there's going to be a shelf there. And yeah, we have our tile and then our sink. We have pretty decent amount of space in the kitchen. It's not awful, but it works. And then we have our window, and then we have the heater for the winter and our trash can. So this is the other side of the kitchen. So we have our oven, a little bit more counter space and cabinets. And then I decided to do an open shelf here. And the green color here, it was a tester to see if I liked it or not, and I don't like it. I think I'm going to paint it white also, this whole area white. So I plan on doing that in 2019, painting it all white and then redecorating the shelf because I'm not a big fan of this decoration, but it looks good for now. So then the other side of their kitchen is this tile. I love this tile. It looks so good. And then I just have this little area over here, and I need to redecorate here too, obviously. It doesn't look too great. So I'm going to put some decorations here and of course put something in my jars. I just have oatmeal in that jar for now. Okay, I'm going to show y'all the bedroom now. So we have our bed here, and then we have our 2 nightstand tables right there. Sorry for the light, I have the window open right now. And then over here we have my mirror. And then we have our window, and then a curtain. I need to buy new curtains for our room because those are not good looking at all. They're not even curtains. I just cover the windows with them, so I need to get that. And then we have Peter's closet right here, and then just kind of like storage right up there, and then down here. So yeah, that's his closet. And then over here we have my open closet, which I love. It looks amazing. And I have my shoes down there, and then everything up here. And then if you turn, we have my shelves here, our AC unit, and then this is the eyesore in our bedroom right here. The thing that isn't good about a tiny house is that we don't have a storage room, so I have to put everything in this corner right here. So this is the part of the house that you don't see. You just see that area, this area, and this area, and then this area right here. Yeah, so I love our dresser. I painted that myself. I got it from yard sale, painted it myself. Love the way it turned out. And then we just have another TV there, and then just random stuff here. I need to organize all of it and get a good place for it, but this is our storage room right here. So this is the biggest eyesore. And then of course the AC unit again is an eyesore, but it'll be fine. And then we have our heater, and then yep, our shelves. Let me close the door real quick so you can see the rest of the shelves. I love this part of our house. Like, our shelves turned out great. I love the way they look. Just have my shoes, some books, some cute decorations. So yeah, that is our bedroom right there. So I think that's all that I can show you from our house. Our house is very tiny, so it's easy to do a house tour for you guys. So yeah, a lot of things and projects to do in 2019. Paint the house, paint the ceiling, get a new light fixture. So that is a must, get a new light fixture. I want to do new curtains on each side, get wallpaper on that wall, get the shelf, repaint the table and chairs.